How to log into your DirecTV account using the directtv.com website. Whether you need to manage your account, view your bill, or access your DVR recordings, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the DirecTV website, that is directtv.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. Now you'll be redirected to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your DirecTV username and password. If you don't have a username or password yet, you can click on create account or forget username or password if needed. Now you'll need to enter your username and password in the respective fields. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, click the sign in button. You should now be logged in and redirected to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your settings, view your billing information, and access your account features. If you encounter any issues or can't log in, double check your username and password. You can also use the forgot user ID or forgot password links to recover your credentials. And that's it, you've successfully logged into your DirecTV account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe